Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word alphabetized. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The files in the cabinet were alphabetized for easy access. Alphabetized means organizing items in alphabetical order based on the letters of the alphabet, making it easier to locate and access specific information. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.